Welcome back guys, my name is Zara and you're watching Scratch Tech, and in this video I'll show you how to set up OBS for your video recording and your live stream. So if you haven't subscribed yet, then please be sure to subscribe as it helps me a lot. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first things first, you have to go to the OBS Studios website. So you can simply search OBS Studio download, and on the first link https://obsproject.com, you can open that website and you can simply see the OBS websites. So you can select all these options according to your system. So I'm on Windows, I'll use Windows, and as you can see here that the file has been downloaded. So when the file is downloaded, you can simply go to the downloads folder and run that setup file. Now click on yes for the permission, and now you can see that the setup has opened. So click on next and you can just read this agreement, and then again click on next, and you can select your destination folder here. I want this only, so I will install. So before completing the OBS installation, I want to tell that you can download this free on their official website, so there is no need to use the crack version. Now you can just check mark this and click on finish, and now I'll tell you that how you should set up your OBS for video recording. So first I will delete these scenes because I used OBS earlier, that's why they all are here. So I will just delete this. So as default you'll get the scene here and nothing here. So this is the plus. I'll tell you what is scene. So you can add as many scenes as you want, but scene is basically thing where you can add whatever you want to record. For example, here is audio input capture, audio output capture, browser color source, display capture, and many more things. So there can be different scenes. For example, I'll show you, and these are the sources which you have to add to record your video. So if you want to record a video, you can simply add window capture, or simply add display capture. Display capture will capture your whole screen or monitor, and window capture will just capture a single window. And if you want your webcam too, then you can add this video capture. So we'll click on window capture, and you can change the name of your window capture from here. Let's suppose I'll give it window capture 1. This is window 1, and now click on OK. Now you have to see that you can change your window here. Right now I have not so many windows open, so I'll tell you this later, and you can see that this window will appear on the scene which you just created. So if it's scene 2 and you create it on scene 2, you can use it as a new scene. For example, if you are live streaming and you are just showing your webcam first here, then you can simply switch to scene 2 and it will automatically change and transition to scene 2. Now you can see this is the audio mixer, and by placing your cursor here you can simply increase or decrease the size of the window and the options below here. So this is the audio mixer tab. For example, you can add your desktop audio record here and mic audio record here. These are the settings for both of the captures, and this is my desktop audio which my computer will play, and this is my mic audio which I will connect to for my mic. So, and these are the options of controls: start virtual camera, start recording, start streaming, studio mode, settings, and exit. And scene transition is basically a transition. As I said you that you can switch between scene 1 and scene 2, and you can use these transition and it will automatically come between scene 1 to scene 2. And let's find out that what are the tabs here. So in file tab you can see that show recordings, remix recordings, settings, show settings folder, show profile folder, always on top, and exit. So you may not need to use these right now because you just simply need to record. What you can use is setting and show recording. It will show your recordings all you have done with OBS. So now basically I will tell you that how you can use and what is a studio mode. So when you click the studio mode, you can see that there are two monitors here now. this is preview monitor, and this is a program monitor. So first, suppose you are live streaming or recording, etc. You are switching between scene 1 to scene 2. So this is a preview where you can change it, and this is the program. So when you click on transition, the preview will input it. The preview will output to the program. For example, you are live streaming it or recording it. So if you want your screen 1 to be previewed here, like suppose I am using Google Chrome, so Google Chrome will show here, and now I want to switch to Microsoft Edge. So I will click on Microsoft Edge as my window, then I'll simply click on transition, and the Microsoft Edge will first show here because it is my preview, and when I transition it, it will come into my program or your recording or your live streaming. So that was it for today. So if you like my video, then please be sure to like, subscribe for more videos like this, and stay tuned for the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.